fact, do you guys know the dimension here?
That's 5 metres from there to there.
That's what I thought you'd probably know that.
Definitely.
Okay, at 5 metres we're having 3 decibels effect. So by 10 metres, no effect. That's what you're going to say is basically, and then if you have, and that's if people are sat out in other gardens, because you're probably, what, 5 metres to the nearest garden, at which point you're having 3 dB effect. It's not.
So we know one recording, doors open.
Yeah, just as a joke. Yeah, go on. Ready? I don't think that is the Bluetooth that's cutting out. I think that might be the recording, but it's not showing on the meter, which is good. But that's ridiculous. So there you are, that's 94. 94, and we were at 72 and 78. Something like that. So you're talking about, you're getting probably 14, 16 dB of attenuation in that, which is extremely good.